Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the essential fit and permissions. Power on the glasses while holding the pairing button for 3 seconds. Watch the LED flash. In the app, select your device name, accept pairing prompts, and enter any shown PIN. Once paired, calibrate IPD using the slider until images align. This avoids eye strain. Make sure to let the glasses charge to at least 50% before heavy use, because firmware updates happen automatically once connected. Once connected, begin calibration steps that refine tracking and display. You will follow on-screen prompts. Look at dots for eye tracking, rotate head slowly for gyroscope calibration, and walk a few paces for motion smoothing. Adjust brightness and color profiles if the image looks warm or cool. This reduces motion sickness. Make sure the glasses connect to a stable Wi-Fi 5 GHz band or tether your phone, because large firmware files install faster. You now load an app and test interactions. Use gestures, controller, or voice to select and navigate. If you notice lag, check frame rate and CPU load in the diagnostics overlay. Once done, close background apps to free RAM. If tracking or video stutters, reboot the glasses, repair Bluetooth, and install any pending firmware updates. This resolves most issues. As a final tip, if problems persist, factory reset only after noting saved settings, because that clears calibration and paired devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.